everyone, and welcome to the MSC Gizcast with Rob Kfish.
Hello and welcome everybody to another video edition of the MSC Gizcast. Today we're going to look at a few different ways that we can customize our FireFox web browsers. Now we all know, if you've been using FireFox for a while now, that you can use, there's all these different themes that you can use to customize a few different looks of icons and that right in your FireFox web browser. But today we're going to look at a different extension that actually changes the background of your Firefox browser, and they're called personas. So let's have a quick look at how we can change our Firefox web browser to customize the looks. Okay, so here we are at our Ubuntu desktop. The first thing we want to do is open up our Firefox. So we'll just go into our menu here in our internet and open up our Firefox web browser. Now we want to install personas. Now I've already got the link right here on my tab here, and I'll put a link right in the show notes at mscgizcast.com. And so we're just going to go down to the Firefox site here, and it's actually the personas part of the website. And you can read a little bit about it here, but what we're going to do, just get right in down, we'll go right down to here and install now. And it just takes a second, and click on install now. And there we go. Now we'll have to restart Firefox. And it's restarting. Of course, we'll go back to our... It'll kind of tell you a little bit about it there, so we'll get rid of that. Now, as you can see here, let's go back home. Okay, and this is actually my home page here. Now, at the very bottom now, you're going to notice that there's a little fox there at the bottom. Okay, so what you do is you click on the fox, and you're going to get a little tab that pops up, and you'll notice a few different things here. Use default is, you'll notice right up in here, that's the default part. But let's say we want to change what up here looks like. So what you do is you click on the fox there, and this shows you which ones get used the most. And then recent is most added, so that it looks like there's nothing been added. New, and then all, and then there's, once again, there's a few different choices you can make. So just to show you what this is actually going to do, let's say you click on California Sunset. See how it kind of changes the background there? And then, let's say we can click, and it also changes it down here, so you're kind of seeing the difference in the background. So let's go to a snowman, and there it kind of gives you a little bit of a winter scene here. And so let's try a scenery. Let's say the Golden Gate Bridge, if you're living in San Francisco there. So, and it kind of gives you a whole different look there on your Firefox web browser. Now, of course, we all know that we can change these here by different themes, but this here is actually an extension. So if you go into Tools, Add-ons, it's not into themes, it's actually in extensions. And there it is right there, Personas for Firefox. And this is UbiFox, that's something for just for Ubuntu there. And this works on all Firefox. So it doesn't matter if you're using Windows, Mac, well I'm presuming Mac because I haven't used a Mac, or Linux of course for Ubuntu. So there you go, I thought I'd just bring this up for personas, just a few different ways that you can change the look of your Firefox. I think it's pretty cool, and of course you can change all your different icons. So there you go, I just thought I'd pass that along just in case you didn't know that you could change, that part of the web browser. So once again, it's just another great a tool for Firefox just to change your customization and just, kind of just spice things up once in a while, just a little bit of a different look. So, once again, thank you very much for downloading and watching the MSC Gizcast, and we'll be back soon with another video here from the MSC Gizcast. Take care, everybody.